We'll guide you through how to download an Excel file from Dropbox. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by turning on your computer and waiting for the system to fully load. After the desktop appears, connect your computer to the internet using Wi-Fi or a wired connection. Once the connection is active, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. On the homepage, find and click the Login button. Enter your Dropbox email address in the required field, then type your account password carefully. Click Login to continue. Wait until the Dropbox dashboard loads completely on your screen. After it opens, go to the Files section from the main navigation area. Browse through your folders slowly until you locate the Excel file you need. Look carefully for the file name among the listed items. Move the cursor over the file so it becomes highlighted. Click the file name once to open it. The Excel preview page opens in your browser window. Now look at the top right corner of the page. Click the download button that appears there. A download progress bar appears near the browser toolbar or download panel. Wait patiently until the download finishes completely. After that, open the Downloads folder on your computer to see the saved file. Locate the downloaded Excel file in the list of recent downloads. Double-click the file to open it. The file opens automatically in Microsoft Excel. Review the spreadsheet content carefully to confirm everything downloaded correctly. If necessary, save a copy of the file to another folder or location on your computer. After checking the data, close the file in Excel. The Excel file is now downloaded successfully and ready for use whenever you need it on your computer. You can reopen the file later by returning to the Downloads folder or the location where you saved the copy. Keeping the file stored on your computer allows you to access the spreadsheet even without an internet connection. If you plan to edit the document, make sure you save your changes before closing Microsoft Excel. Download process is complete and the Excel spreadsheet is ready for viewing, editing, or sharing whenever you need it again in the future on your computer today.